There are 4 kinds of whetstones: hard emery whetstones, rough ones to make blades thinner, medium-grade whetstones, which are used often and can be employed for finishing work. Lastly, a dressing stone. When using the 3 types of whetstones, please make sure to soak them in water. This medium-grade stone is particularly good for household use. So now, we will lay out the whetstone. But first, soak up the water with a towel. Before sharpening, lay the stone down so it is level. Please sharpen it using the emery stone. The sharpening methods for kitchen knives differ widely, depending on whether you have a single or double edge. We are sharpening a single-edged kitchen knife. First, place the center of the blade at the center of the whetstone, at an angle of 45 degrees. Press on the knife with your left hand using 3 fingers. Push on a third of the blade area from the edged side. The angle will appear. Keep pressing and use force. Burrs have appeared. We sharpen the reverse side after the burrs appear. Use some force in the pulling motion. Lay the knife down and then sharpen it. Repeat. Now, we will sharpen a double-edged blade. Place the center part of the blade on the center of the whetstone at around 45 degrees. 45 degrees is half the 90 degrees between the kitchen knife and whetstone. Please sharpen the knife at around half that angle, about 20 degrees. Push while grinding, with the blade on the lower side of the whetstone. Sharpen the reverse side after the burrs appear. Again, do it at 20 degrees, but this time forcefully. Pull while grinding when the blade is on the upper side of the whetstone. Now, we are going to deal with oxidization. We have prepared a wood block and polish. Dip the block in the polish and start polishing. The side has become smooth. We are going to repair a chipped blade. We can do the grinding with an emery, rough or medium-grade whetstone. An emery whetstone will remove the chips. Next, we make the blade thinner with the medium-grade whetstone. Then the medium-grade whetstone is used to improve cutting ability.